So, hello everyone, welcome back. This is the continue part of my first video in which I had I already described you that how you can create a beautiful cover pages in Canva for your KDP genre. So in today's video we will gonna see the inside pages of your KDP. So for that what we will gonna do, so without any further delay let's get started. So for that we will gonna first thing what I will gonna do is go to home and we will gonna make the copy of the same page that we have created for our front and back. Okay, um, okay, like we will gonna make the copy of this front and back cover. Okay, mm, this one, let me create a copy. Okay, once you have a copy with you just rename that notebook pages. Okay, and open it in a new tab. Okay, why I have done this? Because this is the I want the exact size as I have in my safe area. So as I already created this in my safe area, so yes, I will gonna use this template. Okay, just remove all these elements from here and make it blank. Okay, add a page, just I don't want this at all. Okay, so for your inside book pages I will go to template and write here notebook, because our page in KDP will gonna black and white, so we will create a very simple black and white cover over for this. Okay, so you can see notebook pages or just write pages. Okay, so you can see notes, my notes, diary, everything from here. Okay, you can also go to design and add notes. Okay, press enter and you can see here as well, but let me choose from this one. You can also write here diary pages, so you will get a more precise result, but I am not getting here. Sorry, I write dairy. I diary, diary, general pages. Let me do general pages. So yes, here you can find it. Let me just add pages. Okay, select this first one. Okay, and uh, you can see a look alike pages here as well. Okay, so I will gonna choose, because this is the notes and I will gonna change this text and this is the date. So customize this template and I will gonna copy this and paste it over here. Oh, okay, just control A, control C, control V. Okay, make it in the middle. Yes, remove this heart from here, make a simple as possible. I will see here, dear diary. You can write something like this. Okay, make the text small. Make the text small. Okay, and just exact few settings to keep it aligned. Okay, yes. Yes, and here it is. Now I think this is too many lines. I will remove this first three line and adjust my size. Group them. This is perfect. Okay, now I will add one. Let me try vintage sketch, or I will write flower sketch. Okay, see all, and pick the one that you will like. I like this one. I will paste over here and make layer to pack. Transparency I will make it to 40%, 40 to 50%. Okay, sorry. Now I have to go to layer, show layer, select this one and this this one. So this is, once this is done, I will create this. What I will gonna do, just go to grid view, go here, select, now just duplicate this page. Okay, now select this now go to select all and duplicate the page. Now select all, duplicate the page. Now select all, duplicate the page. Now again select all, duplicate the page, and I want a 60 page, so select, duplicate the 60 page again. And yes, this is what I want. Just remove this 4 page from here, and this is how you can create diary pages. This is very simple. You can add, customize from here. There is a lot of bunch of templates are available here. This is like, this is really good. And this is a to-do list template, this is a notes, my notes. But I would prefer, like this is, I would prefer make it simple as possible, and it will look really good. Okay, by your choice. If you want to create a new things or new one, you can definitely do it. Now just download this page as a PDF. From here, go here, PDF standard, and go to download. Okay, once you are downloaded, go to KDP and upload this file into manuscript. Now trust me, if you will gonna upload this file into manuscript, it will take almost your 20 to 30 minutes. I am personally facing that it will take a longer and longer time. So don't worry, just take a chill and make it upload. Okay, make it upload and just take a chill pill. Okay, and once it will gonna done, once it will gonna done, you can preview it from here. Okay, so just open your preview grid, and okay, no worries, refresh the, let me refresh the page. And once you open it, once you launch it and preview it, you can see. No worries, like I'll already tell you that this is having a problem. Once when you are upload your book cover and your manuscript with your, like, in this format, with this safe area, so you will definitely don't have any problem, and you can easily publish your book, you can preview it. And yes, so yes, this is from my end. I hope you enjoy this two part of my this video. I know this is like longer and longer video, but it will definitely provide you some value. So for more such video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, do comment and share this video with your friends, and try it by yourself for and publish your first KDP book, a general, with this easiest way. So yes, thank you everyone for your time today, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay creative. Just subscribe to my channel for more such video. Bye bye, bye bye, have a great day, night maybe. Like, this is 10:35 p.m. and yes, no worries, I will do all of, I will do for you. No worries, bye bye, have a great day, bye bye. Wait. So I thought this video is incomplete because you are not able to see my final result. So I have just wait for a few seconds and re-upload the manuscript. Here you have to upload your notebook pages, and here this is your book cover. So here you have to upload this file. Okay, so once you upload this wall, once you upload this both the file, just here book preview, launch preview. Once you launch preview, you will get this type of result that you can able to see. So trust me guys, like when I first posted, like when I first created this book by myself from me, I just attempt 20 to 21 times to not to just to that my content is in this safe area. Like I don't know what is the best way to create this. So after so many attempts, I find the perfect way to create the book template that make works. So I hope you also just follow the process that I have followed, and you will definitely this shot in a one shot, like this result in a one shot like this. So after 20 attempts, this is my 22 attempts, and this is the one that like that perfectly within the safe area. You can see this is my front page, this is my back page, and this is my diary pages over here. So you can see this looks really good. And this is the black and white pages. You can, if you want to create a coloring page, so you can also create a color page, but for that then you have to select this interior with white paper, okay, standard color interior or a premium color interior as per your choice. So yes, this is the end of the video. I hope you really enjoy this video throughout. I know I made many mistakes in this video itself, but yes, at the end I have created this one. So I hope you don't repeat the mistake that I have done, and just do it, just start, so you can complete and publish your book. So if you want me to create a whole version that starting from end, how to create a KDP account or something like that, so you can tell me in comment. I will definitely create, but as of now in YouTube there is a lot of video available, so you can also check out them. For my work is to do here is to how you can create this in Canva. So I've described you the whole process, but if you want me to do that as well, I am happy to do that. So please let me know in comments. Okay, so yes, that is the end, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned to my channel, many more to come. So bye bye, take care, good night, bye bye, thank you.